going on, everybody? I got something to show you. The body lines don't really line up that well, but I still think it looks pretty good. That. Right there. Looks pretty good. Kept the door handles chrome, mirrors back on, lights, grill. I just gotta put the wipers and some screws on. And then yeah, this is part 2. Next one will be outside, out in the snow. So there we have it. I think it looks pretty good. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And next video should be out that window, outside. Oh dear. Oh, all the way over there. So leave a comment down below what you think of the build so far, the paint I should say, and I'll catch you in the next video.